Hey, it's NFG, and in this video, we're going to talk about the whys, hows, and whats of getting your own HMO. Before we go deep into it, I want to ask you a question. What's your next financial goal? Is it a house, a car, maybe your dream travel, or a wedding? Diba? Baka naman investment yan, o kaya emergency funds. It can also be a bag, a phone, your next big purchase, whatever it is, baka bahay at lupa. Ano yun? Kung ano man yun, magkano yan? Magkano ang next financial goal mo? Now, I want you guys to think about this goal and how much it is right now. My next question. What if you get into a medical problem? Where will you get the money? Your savings? Or baka naman sa savings ng family mo? If you touch your money or your family's money, what will happen to your financial goal? This is why it's so important for you to have your own HMO plan. HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization, and a good HMO covers for your medical care in exchange for quarterly installments. Magaan lang sa bulsa kasi pwedeng quarterly, di ba? I have this. It's with Maxicare. Para mas madaling usapan, I'll give you an example. For example, I paid 25,000 pesos a year for this card. Now, if ever something happens to me that year wherein I need to get hospitalized, my HMO can cover my room and expenses and the hospital na mga kailangan ko na bills up to 100,000 pesos. Doon pa lang, bawing-bawi na. Kasi diba, remember, 25,000 pesos lang yung binayaran ko, just in case something happens to me. On top of this, I'll also get annual checkups like urinalysis, physical exams, x-rays, consultations at doctors, and access to their wide network of clinics and hospitals. Oh my gosh, you guys, when I got the card, they also sent me this, and it's basically a long list of partner hospitals and clinics. It's crazy. Lahat to pwede kong puntahan. Because I have this, I don't have to worry about additional out-of-pocket expenses for my medical needs. At lalong-lalo na that I don't have to think about having to borrow money from my family. Hindi nila kailangan galawin yung savings nila, hindi nila kailangan umutang, because I already took care of it by investing in my Maxicare. Okay, now, this is the part where I wrap the long list of benefits that you can get if you have a My Maxicare plan. Get access to room and board accommodation, use of operating room, intensive care unit, isolation room, and recovery room, access to doctors, surgeons, and other specialists, standard nursing services, medicines for inpatient care, blood product transfusions and IV fluids, X-ray, lab exams, diagnostic tests, dressings, and casts. Wait lang, I'm not done yet. Sandali. Consultations, treatment of minor injuries, minor surgery not requiring confinement, eye laser therapy, speech therapy pag na-stroke ka, allergy testing, di ba mahal yun, vaccines for animal bites, emergency care, and emergency room fees, pwede ka ring magsama ng dental and even dreaded disease coverage. Okay, I think I should stop there kasi ang dami pang iba. Now, of course, what you'll get depends on the plan you'll invest in. You can totally customize this. I think, personally, my favorite part about all of this is their top-notch clinics na hindi pahirapan ang pila. And of course, access to their 24/7 teleconsultations. That is so convenient. Syempre, diba, if you're going to trust your financial and physical health, better make sure that, it's with someone who's reputable. And Maxicare has been here since 1987. It's now the #1 HMO in the country. Ngayon, huwag ka get kasi applying for a plan is crazy simple. All you gotta do is go to their website. It's www.maxicare.com.ph. It's quite intuitive. You can quickly have a customized plan computed right there. Pwede na rin mag-sign up at bumili agad. If you need help, you can also send a message to this page and the NFG team will guide you. Okay, you know that I always ask this question. What would you do if money is not an issue? And I ask this precisely because money is an issue. The only way for us to live the only life we have to the fullest is to be prepared. And that's exactly the kind of peace of mind my Maxicare gives me. Because I have this, I don't have to worry about losing my money meant for things that are more important to me. Like my dream house, or my dream wedding, or my dream travel. Because if ever something happens to me, my Maxicare is there to take care of it. With my Maxicare, I get maximum care, minimum worry.